sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.